banana cream pie bars. So for our ingredients, we have vanilla wafers. I prefer the minis. You have banana cream jello pudding mix, cream cheese, milk, melted butter, and your whipped topping or Cool Whip. Alright, now the first thing we're going to do is take our melted butter and our vanilla wafers. And then we're going to crush up our vanilla wafers. So we want to do about 3 cups vanilla wafers. And then we're going to blend it. So here's about 3 cups. If you want to do more, you can. It's just for the bottom of the banana cream pie bars. Put them all in there. Let's put this lid on. Turn it. And now we're going to crush it. Alright. These are crushed. Now we're going to put it in a bowl with our melted butter and mix it. Here is our bowl. I'm going to pour our butter first. And now all of our vanilla wafer crumbs. So you shake it so you get all of them. Right, then we just mix it with whatever utensil you have. That way all the crumbs stick together. And then, once the butter is mixed all in the crumbs, we're going to pour this in our pan so we can pat it down. So here is our aluminum pan. Now I'm just going to pour this whole thing in here. I'm going to spread it. You want to make sure you cover the whole bottom. You want to make sure you're pressing down as you're spreading it. Okay, and we're going to put this in the fridge for about 10 minutes while we make our other layer. Alright guys, so our next layer is going to be the cream cheese layer. So we need our cream cheese, sugar, and 8 ounces of your whipped topping. So first we're going to mix or blend our cream cheese until it is creamy. Take it out. Make sure you want to get all the cream cheese out of the packet so it can be as creamy as possible. There we go. Now we're going to put our blender down and blend it. Once it's blended just a little bit, we're going to add in our sugar. Make sure you have a spatula so you can mix the sugar in. Now I'm going to stop this and mix it just a little bit more. That way you're not just tasting sugar. Scrape it. Then we're going to put the blender back down. that mixed for about a minute or so. And then we're going to add our whipped topping. Okay. I'm going to stop this. I'm going to take this spatula off. That way we can get all this cream cheese. Get as much as you can off your spatula. Now we're going to add in our whipped topping. Just one small container. Put all of it in. Now we just fold it in with our cream cheese mix. Mix it as much as you can so it's creamy. Alright guys, you see how that's all mixed in and you don't really see just the cream cheese? We're going to keep it like that. We're going to take out our pan and put it on top of our crust. Make this mess. Let's take out our pan. And we're going to just plop it on our crust layer. I like to scrape the sides. Alright. Now we're just going to layer it over, spread it, and then we're going to put this back in our fridge while we do the other layer. Want to evenly spread it. I think that's evenly spread. So we're going to put this back in the fridge while we make our next layer. Alright guys, so our next layer is the banana pudding layer. So you're going to need your banana pudding mix, milk, and your whipped topping, but you only need a little bit of this big bag. So we're going to put our banana pudding mix in our bowl. Now we're going to add our milk. And now we're going to whisk it until it becomes like a pudding texture. Slowly getting there, just a little more whisk. See how thick it's getting? Alright, now that it's whisked to a pudding texture, we're going to add in our whipped topping. Now this is a 16 ounce, but we're only gonna add about half of it. Take my whisk out. Okay. All right. Now we're just gonna fold this in with the pudding. You want to make sure it's evenly mixed like the other layer. Alright, now that we mixed it pretty well together, I'm going to take our pan out so we can add it on top. Here is our mixture. I'm going to do the same, just plop it all on there and spread it across. Let's get all the edges first. You can do it however you like to do it. I prefer to get the edges first, then spread it up through the middle. Alright, now we're going to try to evenly spread it. Alright, now we're done with this layer. I'm going to put it back in the fridge again while we do our first and final layer. Alright, so our top layer will be just Cool Whip or whipped topping. So we're just going to add this on, spread it. I like to decorate it with a little bit of either vanilla wafers or graham cracker crumbs. Alright, so we're going to spread it and then decorate it. Alright guys, that is it. And when you cut into it, it will show the layers, which will be really cool. Alright, well the ingredients will be down below in the description. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.